Coming in my ass all night long. The fuck?
Yeah, that one was on you. Let's just,
I'm completely out of it right now.
Let's just go do this.
Right. Hold on. Let me take a sip of this.
Sound good? Maybe?
A Tough Enough announcement! Oh my god, WWE is bringing back Tough Enough!
Remind me which part I should cheer for.
Nothing. You shouldn't cheer for anything. It's gonna be retarded. That's what.
Interesting.
Just poke their buzz when you want me to set the explosives off. I gotta do it remotely.
Let's hijack this train.
Oh snap, son!
Let's just sit down and watch.
Counting down. 10, 9.
Oh god. Christ, man.
Hijack a train. The Volkie's still up on that ice shelf. Gotta climb that wreckage to get there.
Climb up high to the train, or you'll go insane. What? That's a rap song I wrote.
You look like you're... I should be surprised.
What?
Are you still lagging?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Fascinating.
Search the train cars.
So, Shifty wants to host a giant LAN party.
You were telling me that? Yeah.
Yeah.
With a bunch of like 4-player games.
I guess. There's gonna be like 10 people there.
It's a lot of people.
For my apartment it is. You ready? We gotta go kill Wilhelm, then we'll call it a night.
I am ready for Wilhelm.
What does it sound? Come on, Splatter Witch. Christ.
Sorry.
Well, I'm just gonna go kill him without you.
Let's do this. God, the music when you go and fight bosses in this game is epic.
Shotgun to face, all powerful. What? It's interesting. Things are just... if we kill all these, I get a challenge. Oh! I'm scared, massa. Are you done being dead?
Are you scared? I haven't been dead.
You're about to be. Just in time for the fight with the boss.
Oh shit!
I'm sorry, I'm just tired.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. You're the one who said you wouldn't get tired. I won't stay up late if I drink. Bull fucking shit.
Hey, I get help at fucking work.
Look, okay, now... Look, man, I can't help it.
Exactly.
If I
Fuck
drink,
you.
I get tired. Okay, and I have you recorded earlier as saying, I'm not gonna get tired. I'm gonna want to stay up.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna shove it in your face first thing in the morning when we wake up together.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Wilhelm nearly killed us all in New Haven without taking a
Oh my god.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. God. Women always worrying. Ratchet. Oh shit!
Now you be careful, honey.
Damn it!
No, lay on him. He must not be allowed to reach the coven. Don't shoot them.
You killed Wilhelm. Holy hell. That doesn't stand a chance.
Wilhelm dropped a power core. Be sure to grab it. My sensors tell me it's one of a kind. If you bring it to Roland, Sanctuary's shields may never need to be recharged again.
Any,
Hey,
Wait,
help!
is he dead?
What? Yeah.
Wait, where all those drops go?
Over here.
Whoa. Never seen a power core like that.
Whoa.
What you got from Reese is nearly
Holy
burned out.
shit.
Why don't you bring it back here? We may not have found the vault key, but at least Sanctuary will be safe a little longer, thanks to you.
Whenever you kill him, he always, like,
Wow, bravo!
shoots his load all over the...
Cheers, high five, so clown.
All over the map.
Got that damn power core, didn't ya?
Got that damn power cord, didn't you?
Gloves are coming off. Tighten up the
Hey.
big boy pants because things are gonna get really.
Do your kegels, because I'm about to shove my foot up your ass.
What?
Oh, that's loco. Let me call my pendejos and see if they want to buy some zapatas. I'm stuck. Here we go.
Okay, last time I drink and think that I'm gonna be not tired.
Uh-huh. That's recorded too, you know. That's fucking
should've
recorded
known that.
too.
I know.
1
I
second.
could force myself actually stay up.
Fucking...
Oh no, you said though your words are also recorded. Let's beat Wilhelm and we'll end it for tonight.
Yeah, what do you think I'm doing right now?
Going to end it? We kind of beat him though, so what are we doing?
Good question.
How did I miss all the fucking loot that came from him? Unless he didn't really drop anything worthy.
Man beats me next time on stream.